In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. And may the peace and blessings of Allah be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his family and his companions. The topic of this discussion is the theory of evolution. Actually, the only thing I know about it is that it says human beings' ancestors were apes. Such claim implies that there is no creator for this beautiful and harmonious universe. Basically, we started as apes to become what we are. That's what the theory says. We started as apes to become what we are now, intelligent human beings with beautiful faces that have beautiful noses, beautiful mouths, beautiful eyes, that have beautiful eyebrows, beautiful eyelashes, beautiful eye lenses, beautiful faces that have beautiful cheeks, jaws, forehead. I forgot to mention the eyeballs, and the nostrils. Okay, brothers and sisters, questions. What is the biggest face have you ever seen so far in your life? For me, it is Andre the Giant, the wrestler. Another question. What is the smallest face have you ever seen so far? For me, it is the face of a newborn child. And between the two faces sizes, how many sizes could there be? No, not smaller than the newborn face and not bigger than Andrea's face. Okay, now, many people are there on earth right now. How many people are there on earth right now as we speak? Another question. How many were there on earth before our time? I mean before the oldest person on earth right now, including the ones who passed away. How many people will there be on earth until the end of time or the end of life on earth? Okay, so we have got three periods: now, before, and after. By now, I am referring to our time, those who are present on earth right now. By before, I am referring to the time before our time. By after, I am referring to the time after our time until the end of life on earth. See, my brothers and sisters, these are countless number of faces. Disregard the before and after periods. In our period, can you think of just two faces that are 100% identical? Just as there is a fingerprint, now there is a face print. Not even twins or triplets. As for the after period, chances are zero that there will be two people that will be 100% identical. And this is because of the different DNA everyone has. See, my brothers and sisters, despite the constraint between the two faces sizes, Andrea and the newborn baby, no two faces will look like each other, never ever. So, is this the work of evolution? We have not even considered the countless numbers of smiles, and the countless numbers of frowns, and the countless numbers of face gestures that each one is specific to a unique person. That each of which is a specific to unique person. Really, is this the work of evolution? And what is this evolution thing? Does it really exist? I want to see it. I want to talk to it and thank it for the tasty milk that it has given us from in between flesh and blood. Questions. Did evolution teach the saliva producing glands in our mouth to secrete saliva to help start the digestion process? Did it create the teeth to grind the food? Did it create the digestive system or the digestive enzymes to help initiate digestion? Did it create the peristaltic movement in the digestive system so that food can get to the stomach? Did evolution teach the stomach to increase the amount of HCl, hydrochloric acid, when food is consumed? Did it instruct HCLs not to burn stomach walls? Did it tell the stomach to renew its wall every 2 weeks so that the stomach wall won't get damaged by HCl? Did it create the small intestines and teach it how to absorb nutrients, minerals, and vitamins into the blood so that they can be transported to the various cells in the body where every cell takes what it needs, including the blood itself? The heart pumps the blood that the heart pumps the blood that nourish the heart. The heart pumps the blood nourishes the hearts. The blood nourishes the kidneys purify the blood nourishes the lungs oxygenate the blood heals the wounds. Each and every organ in our body is connected to the other in some way or the other. Research the following words: pancreas, insulin, glucose, glycogen, FRTA, oxidative stress, brain, endocrines, etc. Modern medicine series. Research modern medicine theories. Evolution does exist, but in human beings, it doesn't. It exists in languages. Brabra, Huckleberry. I swear by Allah, the one and only God, worthy of worship. If evolution exists, it'll be because Allah made it. And may the peace and blessings of Allah be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.